There are hundreds of dog breeds in the world, each with its own unique characteristics and traits. Here are some of the most popular dog breeds. 1. Labrador Retriever Dog. 2. German Shepherd Dog. 3. Golden Retriever. 4. Bulldog Dog. 5. Poodle Dog. 6. Beagle Dog. 7. Siberian Husky Dog. 8. Boxer Dog. 9. Dachshund Dog. 10. Rottweiler Dog. 11. Great Dane Dog. 12. Border Collie Dog. 13. Yorkshire Terrier Dog. 14. Chihuahua Dog. 15. Shih Tzu Dog. 16. Bichon Frise Dog. 17. French Bulldog Dog. 18. English Springer Spaniel Dog. 19. Australian Shepherd Dog. 20. Doberman Pinscher Dog. Note that this list is not exhaustive, and there are many other breeds not mentioned here. Top 10 Expensive Dogs. The cost of a dog can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, including the breed, the pedigree, the location, and the demand. Here are some of the most expensive dog breeds in the world. Tibetan Mastiff Dog. This breed can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $1.5 million, depending on the bloodline and pedigree. Samoyed Dog. The price for a Samoyed ranges from $3,000 to $10,000, with some purebred puppies fetching up to $14,000. Chow Chow Dog. A Chow Chow can cost between $3,000 to $8,500, with some show quality dogs selling for even more. English Bulldog. English Bulldogs can cost between $2,500 to $10,000, depending on the bloodline and pedigree. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Dog. This breed can cost anywhere from $1,800 to $3,500. Pharaoh Hound Dog. The price for a Pharaoh Hound ranges from $2,500 to $6,500. Akita Dog. Akitas can cost between $1,500 to $4,500, with some show quality dogs selling for even more. Rottweiler Dog. Rottweilers can cost between $1,500 to $4,000, depending on the bloodline and pedigree. French Bulldog Dog. French Bulldogs can cost between $1,500 to $4,000, with some rare color combinations selling for even more. Irish Wolfhound Dog. The price for an Irish Wolfhound ranges from $1,500 to $3,000. It's important to note that while these breeds may be more expensive, the cost of owning a dog goes far beyond the initial purchase price. Responsible pet ownership also includes the cost of food, veterinary care, and other ongoing expenses. Top 5 Human-Friendly Dogs. Most dogs are naturally social animals and can be trained to be friendly and sociable with humans. Here are some breeds that are generally known for their friendly and outgoing personalities. Golden Retriever Dog. This breed is well known for its friendly and sociable nature, making it a popular choice as a family pet. Labrador Retriever Dog. Like Golden Retrievers, Labs are very friendly and affectionate with humans, making them great family dogs. Beagle Dog. Beagles are known for their sweet and gentle nature, and they love to spend time with their owners. Training, and proper care play an important role in shaping a dog's behavior, so investing time and resources into these areas can help any dog become more friendly and well-adjusted.